Damn, I hope I got that fucker.
Said I can send people down Brown. No.
10-4, thank you.
Jesus Christ, I hope I got that. Did I ever? Wow.
For a low hanging telephone wire, 2041.
But we are getting nailed good.
On this one, sir, could you give them a call back and what we're seeing?
Any minute. We just got a call back from them.
Come on. Talk dirty to me, you dirty storm. You naughty storm. Come on, talk dirty. Spit some more lightning like you did.
What's the center? Party at 185 Cole Ave and let you respond to their house and speak with them. They have some information about that call on Jeffrey. And for just an update, I have additional Bravos here and I have Bravos throughout the city monitoring in case we need any first response in various locations. Extreme complete.
ER 377 Richard Collins located.
In Columbus. Street. Received. High voltage. It's going to be 31 County Route 7A in the town of Copeland. Rest assured alarms report stone 6 machine shop burn and a fire alarm. Be advised when you notify now the fire alarm, they will be sending the fire department. However, they request patrol for the burn. No key holders, the alarm is registered. Included wag, what kind of complaint? Going Empire Road.
Ah, grand.
I don't know. It's supposed to be up to 19 Dalton Avenue.
Public unit, sign check.
All 20. I keep staying here at Brown Street. I've been talking to Sergeant Burdick. He said the river's going down, but he doesn't know how much longer.
That's fine. Stay as long as you need. Thank you. Let us know if you need anything.
Dry pants.
Fly frequency disregard. You can make your way to 72 Beaver Street for possible evacuation due to flooding.
Oh boy, that did not sound good.
252 Beaver Street, possible evacuation. Unit 1 will handle. Beaver states the flooding is starting to affect their residents. The evacuation.
Hell yeah, baby, I got one. Holy shit.
Williamstown dispatch, 47 Richmond Ave. Come out 53.
Guess North Adams and Williamstown screwed.